For more latest news from the sports multiverse, please like, share, and subscribe The Bridge and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification.
Hello and welcome to The Bridge. 2020 Tokyo Paralympics, the greatest games are just around the corner, and as the baton is passed to the Paralympians, India is all set to send its star-studded 54-member contingent to the Tokyo Games. Amid India's biggest ever Paralympic contingent, there are athletes who are going to step into the village shouldering India's biggest medal hopes. But before we learn about these athletes, do not forget to click on like, share and subscribe to support this video, and please subscribe to the channel to receive more engaging content from the Bridge regarding sports. So we're going to list these athletes starting with the one and only Devendra Jhajaria. The custodian of the Golden Spear, Devendra Jhajaria is a two-time Paralympics gold medalist. The 40-year-old javelin thrower eclipsed his own record of 65.71 meters in July to qualify for the Games. Already familiar with the Paralympic podium, Devendra Jhajaria will be expected to again celebrate gold at the Tokyo. Ekta Bhyan. Hailing from Haryana, Ekta Bhyan is an absolute epitome of grit and determination. The 36-year-old grub thrower started her sport only in 2016 and has been unstoppable ever since. Ekta rose to fame with a goal-winning shot of 16.02 meters in women's club throw, and she would want to color it same in a maiden games. Varun Singh Bhati. From eclipsing the polio virus in early age to emerging to fame, Varun Singh Bhati brought home a bronze medal in 2016 Rio Olympics and never turned back after that. The 26-year-old high jumper has adorned his cabinets with bronze and silvers, but in 2020 Tokyo Paralympics, Varun might want to change the hue of the medal to gold. Mariyappan Thangavelu. 2016 Rio Olympic gold medalist is a household name, but along with the tricolour, he will also be stepping into the village as India's favourite to bring a medal home. Sundar Singh Gurjar. In 2016 Rio Olympics, things didn't exactly go to the plan 5 years back. Sundar Singh Gurjar, the javelin thrower, was disqualified from the Games for reaching the call room 52 seconds late. But Tokyo Paralympics is again a chance for him to erase the ghost of past. The 26-year-old Paralympian is shouldering not just India's hope but his own expectations as well, and will want to lead himself to the podium in Tokyo. Pramod Bhagat. Hailing from Orissa, the para-badminton player will be stepping into the village as world number 1. Pramod Bhagat has many accolades to his name, both singles and doubles. The 33-year-old para-athlete is draped with hopes of a podium finish, and he would want to do the same. Palak Kohli and Parul Parmar. The age is just a myth. The duo para-shuttlers have an age difference of whooping 30 years, but Palak and Parul have been staging a stunning show. The current world number 6 have a lot of medals to their name and will want to add a Paralympic medal as well. Avni Lekhara. The stellar rifle shooter already covered her efforts bronze in the year she took up the sports. In 2017, Avni initiated her international run and has been staging stellar performances. She bagged a silver in a recent parachuting World Cup, marking her informed game. Avni would want her efforts to help her to make it to the podium and mark her presence. Manish Narwal. The 19-year-old pistol shooter hails from Haryana. In 2016, Manish Narwal initiated his journey and has shown a lot of promise since then. He has bagged many medals at the international event and definitely has the capability to mark his presence at the Games. Sumit Antal. The world number 1 para-javelin thrower, Sumit Antal, like his compatriots, is draped with a lot of hopes to make it to the Paralympic podium. His promising performance makes him a potential medal contender, and Sumit Antal wouldn't want anything less either. Suyash Jadhav. Hailing from Maharashtra, Suyash Jadhav carries confidence as an integral part of his routine. He will be seen competing in men's S750 meter butterfly and men's 200 meter SN7 individual medley. The reigning Asian Games champion stands tall as one of India's best medal hopes at 2020 Tokyo Paralympics. So it is already a foregone conclusion that these athletes are already champions when they marched against what the destiny had decided for them. But it will be very interesting to see if these efforts could lead them to a Paralympic podium. If you have stayed till here, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to click on subscribe to receive more engaging content from the Bridge. And please do not forget to click on the bell icon to never miss a notification from the Bridge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.